Dear children, heartiest welcome in this English class. How are you? Hope that all of you are well and safe at your home. Dear children, today we will do some important unseen comprehension passages and solve the questions that follows. Let's start. The learning objective is that after doing comprehension passages, you will be able to answer questions orally and in writing on a variety of texts. You will also able to ask and response to questions based on texts, that is from books or from other resources. And out of curiosity, let's read the first passage. Dear children, first we read this passage and answers the questions that follows. Kabir was one of the greatest poets and saints of our country. कबीर हमारे देश के महान कवियों और संतों में से एक थे. He was born in a Hindu family but was brought up by a Muslim couple. उनका जन्म एक हिंदू परिवार में हुआ था, लेकिन उनका पालन पोषण एक मुस्लिम दंपति ने किया था. His guru was Saint Ramananda. उनके गुरु संत रामानंद थे. कबीर was a weaver by profession. कबीर जी पेशे से बुनकर थे. He weaved and sold cloth in the market. वह कपड़ा बुनते थे और बाजार में बेचते थे. He was kind and wanted to help others. वह दयालु थे और दूसरों की मदद करना चाहते थे. One day a man came to him and said, I am very poor, please help me. एक दिन एक आदमी उनके पास आया और बोला, मैं बहुत गरीब हूँ, कृपया मेरी मदद करो. The kind-hearted Kabir gave him half of the bale of cloth he had woven. दयालु कबीर जी ने उसे बुने हुए कपड़े की आधी गठड़ी दी. But the man was very greedy. लेकिन वह आदमी बहुत लालची था. कबीर gave him the rest of the bale. बाकी की गठड़ी कबीर जी ने उसे दे दी. The man thanked him and went away. उस आदमी ने उन्हें धन्यवाद दिया और चला गया. Dear children, I hope that you understand this passage. Now, let's solve the questions that follow. The first question is, in which family was Kabir born? The answer of this question is, Kabir was born in a Hindu family. Now, second question, who was his guru? The answer of this question is, his guru was Saint Ramananda. The third question of this passage is, how did Kabir help the poor man? The answer of this question is, the kind-hearted Kabir helped the poor man by giving him the bale of cloth he had woven. Now, fourth question. Write the meaning of these words. First one is kind-hearted and second one is profession. The answer of this question is, meaning of these words are, first one is kind-hearted, meaning of it is kind and generous. And second is profession, its meaning is occupation. Now, let's go to second passage. Read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. First we read this passage and understand briefly. Thereafter, we will solve the questions that follow. A desert is not always a flat, unchanging wasteland of dry sand. मरुस्थल हमेशा समतल अपरिवर्तनीय बंजर की सूखी रेत नहीं है. इट मे हैव माउंटेन्स एंड हिल्स. यह पर्वत और पहाड़ियाँ हो सकती हैं. इट मे हैव एन ओएसिस, बिग और स्मॉल. यह बड़े या छोटे शाद्वल हैं. एन ओएसिस इज लाइक ए ग्रीन आइलैंड इन द मिडल ऑफ ए डेजर्ट वेयर अ स्प्रिंग और ए वेल gives plants and trees a better chance to grow. एक शाद्वल मरुस्थल के मध्य हरे द्वीप की तरह है, जहाँ एक झरना या एक कुआं पौधों और पेड़ों को बढ़ने का मौका देता है. A desert may be hot like the Thar or cold like लद्दाख. मरुस्थल थार की तरह गर्म भी हो सकते हैं या लद्दाख की तरह ठंडे. But generally speaking, if a place has little or no water and vegetation, people usually call it a desert. परंतु आमतौर पर बोला जा रहा है अगर वह स्थान जहाँ बहुत कम या कुछ भी नहीं के बराबर पानी तथा वनस्पति होती है, लोग उसे मरुस्थल बुलाते हैं। सम डेजर्ट्स आर ऑलमोस्ट टोटली विदाउट वाटर। कुछ रेगिस्तान लगभग पूरी तरह पानी के बगैर होते हैं। In such places, strong winds blow, raising heaps of sand and depositing them as mounds. ऐसे स्थानों में बलवान हवाएं मिट्टी के ढेर उठाती हुई चलती हैं और टीले की तरह उन्हें जमा करती हैं। They are called sand dunes that shift and move endlessly across the desert. वे रेत के टिब्बे कहलाते हैं जो रेगिस्तान में चारों ओर अंतहीन रूप में बदलते और घूमते रहते हैं। Dear children, hope that you understand this passage. Now, let's answer the questions that follow. The first question of this passage is, what is a desert? The answer of this question is, a desert is a place that has little or no water and vegetation generally. Now, second question, name the famous deserts in India. The answer of this question is, Thar and Ladakh are the famous desert in India. Now, third question, what kind of desert is Ladakh? The answer of this question is, Ladakh is the cold desert. Now, fourth question, what are sand dunes? The answer of this question is, strong winds blow raising heaps of sand and depositing them as mounds. They are called sand dunes. Now, last question of this passage is, what is oasis? The answer of this question is, an oasis is like a green island in the middle of a desert where a spring or a well gives plants and trees a better chance to grow. Dear children, I hope you understand above unseen comprehension passages. Dear children, there is a worksheet along with this video. Kindly solve the questions given in the worksheet after seeing this video so that you can make more understanding about these unseen passages. Thank you. Be happy and safe.